Step 1. Gather your materials. You will need egg dye, hard-boiled eggs, vinegar, water, egg holders or drying racks, and any additional decorating materials you want to use. Step 2. Hard-boil your eggs. Place the eggs in a pot of cold water and bring to a boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove from heat and cool the eggs completely. Step 3. Prepare the dye. Mix the egg dye with water and vinegar according to the package instructions. You can use different colors and create various shades by adding more or less dye. Step 4. Dye the eggs. Place each egg in the dye and let it sit for a few minutes until it reaches your desired color. Use tongs or a spoon to remove the eggs from the dye and place them on a drying rack or egg holder to dry. Step 5. Decorate the eggs. Once the eggs are completely dry, you can decorate them with stickers, markers, glitter, or any other materials you want to use. You can also use wax crayons to draw designs on the eggs before dyeing them to create a unique look. Optional. Create designs with a white crayon or paint pen on the dyed eggs before decorating them. The white wax will resist the dye, leaving behind your design. Enjoy your Easter eggs. Once your eggs are decorated, display them in a basket or use them to play Easter egg hunt games.